I'm gonna do a real quick video just to show somebody how to bench test a starter if you've never done it before. You need a 12-volt power source. That can be a battery with some booster cables on it, or a jump pack like I'm going to use. This one happens to be a Noco GB70. I'll leave a link in the description below. And how you make it work. This starter, with this starter's from 92 Geo, but it's typical of a lot of older starters in that you just attach hot power here. As you bolt it up, it gets the negative power from the ground of the vehicle. And this is the trigger wire. So you would give 12 volt positive to that, and that would make the starter activate. This is always 12 volt hot. This part here gets power from the solenoid and goes to the starter only when this solenoid wire is getting power. It'll throw the gear forward and engage the starter at the same time. So let's see what this looks like. Let's turn our power booster on. This overrides the safeties. So if you short it out, it has no protection. Negative will go to the case of the starter, anywhere you can do it. Positive will go to the wire that the main power from the battery would normally be from the vehicle. And then we have to take the main power, tap onto that. And as soon as I give it power to this, the solenoid should engage and the starter should rotate. Probably best to hold on to your starter at this point because they might torque out of your hand. And that's the way to test that the solenoid is throwing forward. You can hear that quick snap. You could also just visually look to make sure it's going. This is for most vehicles. Some vehicles may have a plug with a weather pack connector, whatever. You just have to figure out a way to get power to it. Older Ford vehicles, for example, they had a remote solenoid. So you would just give it power here and test the starter that way. There would be no trigger wire. Hope that helps somebody out if you've never bench tested a starter before. Thanks for watching. I hereby declare this starter test Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.